It's Cash Money Master once again, and I will be running a quick video, and I will be posting late today because of technical issues. I couldn't post the video on time, so I would like you to bear with me, as today is the day that I'm actually recording the video, and I would like to update you so that you can know and don't be surprised if this video gets uploaded on the 10th of October, which will be on Tuesday. Of technical issues, I couldn't post this video on time. Well, I'm Cash Money Master. Thank you very much for tuning into this amazing channel of mine where I talk about cryptocurrencies. And before I jump into talking about cryptocurrencies, I need to mention a currency which is different from crypto. It is known as fiat currency, paper money. Now let's get into the difference between the two currencies, which is fiat and crypto. Fiat currency is centralized, issued and controlled by third parties, while cryptocurrency is decentralized. Transactions are peer-to-peer. Cryptocurrencies exist in limited quantities, while fiat currencies can be issued at will. Bitcoin, for example, is limited to 21 million units. Now, let us break down the difference between the two currencies. We know that fiat is controlled and issued by the government, and the government can print this fiat currency without a limit. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not controlled by the government. There is no middleman, and it is fully decentralized. Transactions are peer-to-peer, meaning from a person to another. It has a limited supply of 21 million units. Okay, now that's the difference between the two currencies. Now let's have a look at the comparison of these two currencies. Let's wait for the page to load. Okay. Oh yes, now here are the two currencies, and let us compare them to get a better understanding of the benefits, or rather disadvantages, of these two currencies. Well, fiat is physical, meaning that it is paper money that you can hold with your hand and actually feel with your own hands and see it. But crypto is digital. You cannot hold it. You cannot even feel it in your hands, but you can actually see the transactions as they happen on your laptop, computer, tablet, or even cell phone. Fiat is issued by governments. The printing is done by the government, and it is also brought to the market by the government so that the consumers can be able to buy goods and services. Crypto is generated by computers. These computers are called mining rigs. They actually solve complex math problems. In so doing, they produce cryptocurrencies. They actually use high computing powers, which require very cold areas because they process transactions 24/7. Fiat is centralized, monitored by the government. This means that as the government issues these cryptocurrencies, it has a close eye on this very currency as it moves around the country. But crypto is decentralized. No one can control it, meaning that there is no middleman, no intermediary, no government to control cryptocurrency. It is operating online on all computers, laptops, tablets, even personal computers. As long as you have these devices and you are connected to the internet and you have a cryptocurrency wallet to send or receive, you can receive cryptocurrencies anywhere in the world. No one can control it. Fiat has unlimited supply. This means that the government can print paper money as it so wishes without a limit. Crypto has limited supply. Each and every crypto has a limited supply. Okay, that's what it means, that it is limited in terms of supply, not just Bitcoin, but other cryptocurrencies as well. Crypto is, rather, fiat is restricted by borders. This simply means that each and every country has its own fiat currency that is restricted by the government of that country, is restricted within the borders of that country. But crypto is unseizable. There is no borders for crypto because it doesn't operate from a hand to another. It actually operates on computers because it's digital. It's not printed as physical money. So it operates on computers. It's unseizable. Anywhere there is computers, laptops, cell phones, this currency can actually move without any challenges of borders. Now, let's have a look at number one currency that was brought into the cryptocurrency space. This currency is called Bitcoin, and this is the simplest explanation of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a visual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. Now, this simply means that this is a currency, but a visual currency. It acts as money as well as a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity. It removes the third-party involvement in financial transactions. Now, to find more info on what Bitcoin is, you need to get a document which is called the Bitcoin white paper. I would recommend that you type the Bitcoin white paper on your browser and click bitpanda.com because it explains the white paper in the simplest way. Well, published in October 2008 by an individual or a group of people under the name of Satoshi Nakamoto, the Bitcoin white paper laid the groundwork for a fundamental change in the execution of global payments and the transformation of entire industries in terms of data management. Important points to pick up is that it was published in October 2008 by an individual or group of people named Satoshi Nakamoto. This was to change the execution of global payments and transformation of the entire industries in terms of data management. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, they are called volatile currencies. Now we need to find out why is that. Well, it simply means that these coins can perform very, very well. Their prices can go extremely high or their prices can go extremely low. But let's get the actual meaning of volatile on number two. It reads that it is liable to change rapidly and unpredictable, especially for the West, meaning that the price can go extremely high or it can go extremely low from time to time. It is unpredictable, especially for the worse, or it could be for the better, provided that the cryptocurrencies are doing well in the crypto market. Now, let us head on and have a look at some of the coins that are in the crypto space that came after Bitcoin. Let's wait for the page to load so that we can see these cryptocurrencies. Okay. To find out about these cryptocurrencies, you just simply need to type crypto and then type bubbles. You will then click on cryptobubbles.net. Then you'll be taken to this page. Now, you can see that almost all, I think all the coins are in red circles, meaning that the crypto market is not doing well today because of what is happening in the global market. But we are yet to find out as to what is really impacting these prices to perform so bad today. Let's read some of the coins that are in the red, and then we'll head on to the latest updates on what is happening in terms of the news in the global. We have Gala, which is down by 6.8%. We have Comp, it's down by 4.1%. We have APT is down by 4.7%. We have XTZ is down by 4.3%. And we have TON, which is also down by 4.9%. These are some of the coins that are not doing well today in the crypto market. Now let's have a look at what is impacting these coins to be in the red today because the market is down. So let us wait for the page to load so that we can see. Okay, here we are. To find out about these news, you just simply need to type coin market cap headlines, then you'll be taken to this page. All right. We have news insights into the biggest events shaping the crypto industry. We have griddless taps into Bitcoin mining to light up African villages. So Gridlets has tapped into the Bitcoin mining to light the villages in Africa. In a bold move to tackle the power dilemma in Africa, where nearly 600 million people, about 43%, remain without electricity. Startup are exploring. You can find the full details about these news on ultra mining. Israel-Hamas conflict shakes global markets. Emerging stocks and crypto slide. Oil and metals, they are surging. They are going down. They are in the negative. The escalating Israel-Hamas conflict is causing fluctuations in global financial markets. It is affecting stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. As you have seen the previous page on crypto bubbles, this is evidence as to why crypto is not doing well today. It's because of what is happening. The conflict in Israel has shaken the global markets. We're talking financial markets, we're talking stocks and cryptocurrencies, not forgetting about the commodities. Now, to proceed and have a look at what is going to help one to position him or herself, should they consider investing in cryptocurrencies, and they can just forget about investing in crypto and thinking short term, like 6 months, what's going to happen, 2 months, what's going to happen. That thinking will change as soon as you see these important market cycles. Okay, now as we wait for the page to load, I would like us to be very patient because the system is responding quite slow. Oh, here we are. This is the example of market cycles in cryptocurrency. Okay, so restoring, let's wait for it. Sorry about that. Page it open, but now it's restoring again. I don't know what transpired, but it's okay. Let's patiently wait for it so that it can fully load. I hope you enjoying the lesson whilst we are still waiting for this page to load. Oh man. I hope you getting value from this talk, this education that I'm sharing with you today. Okay, let's wait for the page to load. Here we are, examples of market cycles in cryptocurrency. We have 2022 bear market. 2022 bear market simply means that the cryptocurrencies are not doing well. They are in red circles, as we have seen on crypto bubbles. They are on negative. They have depreciated by different percentages, could be 80, 40, 60, 50 percent. It depends on how bad the coin is doing during the bear market, which was 2022 last year. Now, this is the year 2023 accumulation. Now, this is the year where cryptocurrency investors buy more cryptocurrencies. If they have one, they would actually buy two, three more, 5, 10, 16, 20. It depends on the appetite of an investor to be able to maximize on profits in case these cryptocurrencies do well in the crypto space. Then we have 2024, which is the Bitcoin halving cycle. Well, this is the time when the Bitcoins that are mined are being cut into half to counteract inflation to ensure that there is scarcity. But we'll read the definition to you so that you can get a better understanding. Then we have 2025, which is the bull run. This is when the price is going up. The circles are in green. The market is happy. The prices are appreciating. People are getting to see how well these cryptocurrencies are doing by going up by 40, 60, 80, 90%. They even do well as going up by 100x, 200x, 1000x. It depends on how well the coin is performing. If you are a seasoned investor or you have someone who has been with you and is well experienced, there is a high possibility that when the market is doing well in 2025, you might get profits, provided you do it the right way with someone who is well experienced so that you don't miss out on the money that is on the table. Now, this is the definition of what Bitcoin halving is. Well, Bitcoin halving is when the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half. This halving takes place every 4 years. The halving policy was written into Bitcoin's mining algorithm to counteract inflation by maintaining scarcity. So this takes place every 4 years. The Bitcoin is cut into half. It was written into the Bitcoin's mining algorithm. And why is that? To counteract inflation and to maintain scarcity. That was the whole purpose behind Bitcoin halving. Now let us find out, seeing that we have been told that it takes place every 4 years. Be a day, date, time, and the year. Now, this is the Bitcoin halving live chart that you can actually find from CoinGecko. Just simply type the Bitcoin halving chart. Click on CoinGecko, you'll be taken to the screen that is similar to mine. We can see that there is about 198 days, 10 hours, and 6 minutes before the next Bitcoin halving. The estimated date and time of reward draw is the 25th April 2024, 10 hours and 21 minutes. Now that you know the market cycles and when will some of the coins be performing well, you might consider having yourself a cryptocurrency portfolio should you consider being a crypto investor. Now, let us read the importance of building a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio. We have a table that has been presented before us as an example on how to put together your own cryptocurrency portfolio in a spreadsheet. Well, we have right here SBD, which is the code. The amount is 100. The BTC value is fractions of a penny. The USD value is $1.70. The wallet value is $170.34. The exchange is Polynix, and the percentage of holdings is 2.73%. We also have PPC, which is the code. We have the amount being 10. We have the BTC value being fractions of a penny as well. We have the USD value being $2.34. The wallet value is $23.39. Polynix was used as an exchange, for example, as an example of an exchange. And we also have the holdings percentage at 0.37%. Let's read and find out about this long-term cryptocurrency portfolio. Historical data shows that the crypto market has returned over 900% since the year 2017. Of course, the journey hasn't been all smooth, as evident from the often unprecedented dip and high trends of the market. But in the long haul, its valuation has been increasing as more investors join the trade. With this in mind, the idea of targeting long-term gains is more appealing than chasing short-term profits, which are often not as much as the former. Let us continue reading. While investing in the long term promises greater returns, it should be noted that the method requires patience and keeping your emotions under check in all market times. To achieve this, you should only invest an amount that you can live without. So, no matter what happens, you won't have the urge to sell your cryptos to sustain yourself. Also, having a cushion to fall back on will prevent you from panic selling. Now, why should you even consider having a long term crypto investment? Foregoing the short term profits in favor of long term gains is not only highly rewarding, but it's also less risky. As such, you don't have to worry about missing out on leveraging into a position or timing the market. Day trading or short term investment is characterized by numerous transactions whose fees can quickly accumulate and eat into your profits. This is true. But when you are investing in the long term, all you have to do is pick a few cryptocurrencies and then wait. This helps reduce the number of transactions, saving you the fees that come with active trading. These are the indicators of long term value, which is building a long term portfolio, boils down to the type of digital currencies that you invest in. With over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market, it can be overwhelming to choose one that pays off in the long run. Here are a few factors to consider when choosing cryptocurrencies for your long term life portfolio. The market cap is number one, utility value is number two, industry is number three. Don't be too rigid. And then the conclusion reads as follows. While the above tips will help you build a long term portfolio, you should note that the crypto market is highly volatile. To keep up with the trends, it demands that you regularly track and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. Also, it's a good idea to keep tabs on market events such as government laws in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. These events usually have an impact on price movements. Now, this is the forex.academy information on how to build a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, if you consider investing in cryptocurrencies, as you know that there's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, it's quite difficult to choose the one that will perform very well. I would recommend that you get yourself a mentor that is well experienced, a mentor that understands the market, a mentor that has done well in the crypto space. Well, I have that kind of a mentor that I would like to recommend to you. I will provide you with the link at the bottom of the description of this video of mine. When you visit the site, you'll be able to find out who is my mentor, where does he come from, what has he done, who has he been leading as a leader of the members who have joined my mentor. How well have these members done in terms of their investments. And you'll also get to see the portfolio that my mentor has and how well it has done had one invested, including myself, the returns as to how much they would have been. If you feel that this could be something that you would really like to have, well, the link is available in the description of the video. Just simply copy it, search on your browser, and then you can read the information, and then you can actually join us and become a member should you consider being a member of my club. With that being said, I will also include a link of my video where I show you how to fund your cryptocurrency account using your bank account. I would like to give thanks to you for tuning into this channel of mine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell to get the latest updates of the videos that I will be posting. Also, kindly share these videos on other social media platforms. I would really appreciate it. Recommend the channel to friends, colleagues, family members, even your significant other. I do thank you. This is the end of our presentation. Have yourself a fantastic, you know what it is.